Good afternoon, everybody. This is Harmeet from Signal Picks. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be going over our weekly SPY, QQQ, and IWM analysis, Elliot Wave analysis. We're going to make it short and quick, so let's get going. Just a quick review. We were looking at this being the ending of this fourth wave. We still haven't gotten confirmation for that, but we were saying that this attenuation is a pretty big deal, and what we do want to see was to get through some of these pivots that was previously, well, this wasn't there, but this, at least this B pivot, that 390 316 pivot, and the idea was to see if we can get up to this 417 zone, okay, 417 420 zone. That would be our first indication that this is the first wave that is starting a new cycle. Okay, the reason I say that is because you always want to see it go through the last larger cycle correction of a downtrend or an uptrend, and we're kind of getting there. We will have our answer hopefully this week that we can move forward from here. But overall said, this for now, it is a larger kind of a reversion to the mean, to the 200 SMA. You don't see that here, but that's pretty much what it is. And once you break through these levels, the higher levels, we'll come back and start looking at what would be the larger targets if we do continue seeing bullishness towards higher highs as we continue this march. Just to point out, it does have this okay, it does have a five-wave structure right now, and we would have to confirm it that this five-wave structure kind of follows the Elliot Wave rules. Okay, so that means the third wave cannot be the shortest wave. Okay, that's all. We will know that otherwise, and if it does get extended, we know that this was the third wave right here. Instead of 3 being here, 3 would be up here, and hopefully the fifth will be breaking out over 200 SMA. And all being said, for now, I'm staying bullish. There is no reason to be bearish, other than geopolitical issues that have been going on and have erupted. I don't see it being that much of a problem. I don't think China and US are going to go any further than just military exercises with the Taiwan visit. Other than that, I don't see it being anything more than this consolidation coming back into this area. Okay, these zones. Okay, it's just a congestion zone. This is where it broke down last time. If it is to break down, obviously we will see a breakdown or breakout. So you can have a Darvis set up right here. You know that if it starts breaking up over 417.37, that there is more bullishness to return to the markets. All right, let's get going to QQQ. QQQ is in a little more of an assertive stage. Okay, we do know again that it has crossed this last large Elliott wave pivot. Okay, and it also has this is a big leading diagonal. Okay, and we can pretty much say that this was an end of that last C wave. We have not confirmed that the cycle is over yet. Again, we want to see it confirmation. I see the last big pivot is B right here of the C wave, of the large cycle wave, and confirmation is quite a ways away. I think that getting through the first resistance of 314.56 was pretty big deal. Next thing we want to look at is 347.87 and then 371.83. Do note that we are in an extended territory. Okay, we do also confirm that the third wave is not the shortest wave. Okay, and we know that there is some bullishness over here with the Fibonacci's telling us that the pullbacks may not be as deep as a lot of people have thought they would be. So we are right now again in a very bullish territory. There is still a lot of work to be done. Fed meeting is not for a long time. There's lots of CPI data. I think we have 2 more readings before the the next Fed meeting. So there's a lot that could happen. Information. I'm sorry. Inflation can come down, and the readings could be better, where that could soften up the Fed stance, and that could propel us towards this 371.83 area. Okay, let's go to IWM. Again, not much to say, but we are again at a very, very critical level, 190, and it is the last pivot, and we want to see it go through that. And once we are through that, the next target to look at is 209.05. Okay, just know that it could still come down. It could still, spill over and then come down. We don't know exactly what's going to happen. What we've done is just come back into this congested area that we saw almost a year ago, in last February, March, and April, and so forth. So there is quite a bit that we need to, or earlier this year, I'm sorry, there's quite a bit of resistance built up here. There's lots of volume. I'm not showing it, but you can go back and look at the volume profiles to see that there is lots of congestion volume, some sort of, it's the volume. You want to check out the volume profile to see where the congestion is, see where a lot of trades were taking place, and just have an idea of where it could see more of a resistance. For now, let's get through this 190.94. I think we get over it come Monday, and see if we can go tackle this 209 zone. So there's quite a bit of upside still remaining. There are small pivots. You can go and kind of map them out yourself, do a little bit of homework. But other than that, I think we are still staying bullish, or at least I am still staying bullish. Have not gotten confirmation the second cycle is over, but there is good evidence that it may be coming to an end. So let's just be vigilant on the short side still. Just understand that we're still not out of the water, but we are on our way, moving towards starting a new cycle. Okay, I hope this helps. I hope you all have a really good, awesome trading week, and we'll see you next week. Thank you very much. Have a great day.